Hello, this is John Russo here, and I want to thank you for logging on, and we're going to go over the CJ-7 Jeep builds with you and just give you a quick tour on what is involved and what we do with these Jeeps so we can, provide you, the customer, with a nice package. So I'm going to take you through the shop and show you what we have going on. So I'm going to flip the camera, and over to this Jeep right here is an 82 Jeep CJ-7, and it's done in House of Color, candy apple red. It's awesome looking out in the sun too. I'll get a couple of shots once we close the hood for you. But this one here, 2.5-inch lift with the Rancho springs, and it has the 6-cylinder 258.6. And that comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty. I'm going to just show you a little on the engine compartment. And it has a Weber carb, okay? And bring it around the other side. We put, new alternator. We have a new starter. All the tune-up and the fuel pump and the, all the goodies are included and done neatly. Comes with, this one here has an automatic. If you go with the standard, you'll have a new flywheel, new throwout bearing, new clutch kit. Everything to do with the clutch will be new, new starter. And, we go right through all, brand new brakes, rotors, pads, brake lines. We upgrade to the stainless lines when you go with the lift. And this has the 33/12/5s. on the 15-inch factory wheels. These are the brand new Pro Comp wheels. The customer chose the blackout package for this. And it's got the single hoop front bumper, textured coated. And I'm gonna shut the hood now for a sec. You can see we paint everything separately. The fenders come off, everything, the radiator supports come off. Everything is done nice with clear coat. I'm going to drop this down. Bear with me 1 second. Shut the hood here, and you can see that it really outside. The camera doesn't really show you how cool this color is outside. It's awesome. Also, brand new windshield, window frame, window rubber, wipers, wiper arms, new cowl rubber right here. New mirrors, doors. This has the hard door package. The doors have been all rebuilt, taken all apart, all new parts, new door locks. We put the belt rubbers on, belt molding rubbers, the inner door, the body seal rubbers. This one has the new door panels, new spray on bed liner. Seat frames are all redone. Dash is completely redone, new dash pad. I'm going to go around and turn the lights on, but we do all the gauges, all the heater controls, all the bezels and the indicator lights. I'll walk around the other side. This has new tailgate straps, new rear tail lights, rear bumper, and has the best top, soft top. This is called the black denim. We put brand new flares all around, all four. It has an original rocker molding down low with the steps. Same on this door. I just wanted to come around this side and show you, the lights when we. You can see the lights come on, and all the bezels are all, replaced. So everything lights up nice, all new gauges, instrument cluster. This one has like 0.9 miles on it, you can see. This one also has a B&M shifter. The Tuffy lock box, we put in all the Jeeps. We really like these. With the Bluetooth radio, Sony, with the lock, so you can lock it into place. Got good storage. You got a place for your coffee cup holders. bingo. And this one has the new best top seats, front and back seat. And I don't know if you can see it there. Let me see if I can get a better angle at this. We always put the speaker wedgies, 6x9 boxes with the speakers. Really not showing up too well, but you can see them on the website. And we install these Quadratec floor mats in. They're really cool. They fit like a glove in the trucks. They really did a good job on them. This one has a brand new steering wheel with a horn button. And this is a 6-cylinder, okay? And it has stainless exhaust. Oops. We'll give it a little bit of gas. 2 pumps. Oops. It's kind of hard to do with one hand here. Let's see here. We'll fire this up. Yeah, there you go. And you can see how quiet that is. With the stainless exhaust, we put the black tip on there. I'm going to step back so you can see it. This is a tri-stage pearl. It has cinder red base, then the apple candy, and then, you know, the high-grade urethane clear. And we ultrafine and buff everything. We ultrafine to 5,000 grit. So everything comes out really nice. And then over here, I have a V8 304 CJ-7. This one's a 78. And this one's firecracker red, original color, with the blacked out package, black rims, black rocker moldings, you know, the flares. It has the factory spare tire, holder with the factory hitch, along with brand new lights. This one has the tan top. The interior is basically the same, except we went with the Sandtone, you know, camel color. Same on the Tuffy box. Rebuilt the whole dash. And here's a good shot of the bed liner. Doors all rebuilt. You can also go with the, the soft top, right? With the soft door package. And you know, you can even get the half doors for these. These are so cool. You can get all sorts of goodies for them. But there's a good example of a stock 258 6-cylinder build right there, that candy apple one. That's going to Connecticut as a surprise present for customer's wife. She doesn't know about it yet. She should be pretty happy for her birthday. And of course, all new front park and headlights and side marker lights, new antenna. We go through everything. We do it up. All the hinges are taken off, and we use stainless on the stainless Allens with never seize. You can see on here, this Jeep here, the 78, it has the factory bolts that go through the quarters that actually bolt through the quarters to the roll bar. Okay. This one has a really nice paint job. Real clean. Came out really nice. This has the same package, 2.5-inch lift. You can get a good visual. They sit really nice. 12.5, 33s on 15s. All new shocks, all new brakes. This is the V8 304. I have a few notes for the customer, so when he gets it, he knows exactly how to operate his four-wheel drive on this, because this is a quadra track. And we'll fire this up. Give that a little gas. Sounds really nice. Got the V8 rumble. I'll step back over here so you can hear it. And shut that off so you can hear me. This one too, we also did all brand new door handles. Keys were all matching. The T handle in the back for the lift gate matches. Yep, so and the same on the other one. Everything, we make sure we put all new cylinders in, that all the keys work for you. This one has the blacked out mirrors, blacked out rockers. Then we have another one over here I wanted to show you. And this one here is getting ready to be ultra-fined and buffed. And you can see, you know, I'm going to ultra-fine it and wet sand it to 5,000 grit. And then I will back tape it, and at that point, do the spray-on bed liner, okay? Get you a better shot here. And so that's one in process, ready for buffing. And I'll bring you over here, and you can actually see how the fenders are, how we do them. You know, we hang them and we paint everything individually, so the inside of the fenders are as nice as the outside. Same with the radiator supports. And then I'm going to bring you over here to another one we're doing. This one's a CJ-7 build. And this one's going to a little more custom. This has 35s on it, 2.5-inch lift. Chassis all done. We've got the spare tire rack, aftermarket spare tire rack here, along with, you know, new tank, stainless lines, everything redone, shocks you can see. And this one's got the V8, and this one's actually 350 Chevy with the aluminum heads. And this one's, you know, this one's a step up. This is like, you know, full custom. This one's going to go, I call it State Police Gray. Yeah, I'll give you a good shot. There's a chassis all done, you know, all new brakes, rotors, calipers, all the front end. You know, we do that even on the stock builds, you know. Yeah, this one here is going to be State Police Gray with the black satin, you know, bumpers, and the trim and all the goodies will be black satin on it. The wheels are blacked out. And just to show you guys, here's a 428 Cobra Jet 69 Mustang that we're just finishing up. This is a rotisserie job with the big block R code Mustang. Brand new interior, dash is all new, everything's done. We've got to install the drive shaft, carburetor, and do a few more things, distributor and stuff on the engine compartment. And that's going to be, you know, the point being that I'm making is we do a lot of real high-end big stuff, and the Jeeps, we love doing the Jeeps too, and we put the same, you know, quality in them. So just to give you, you know, that was just to give you an idea. I had to flip the camera back on me. So when you come in, you see what we do, and now if you click on the button or link below, you will see, it'll bring you into the website, and you'll see a complete list of what we do on the factory builds. And then what we have for options that you can choose. You know, you'll choose your color, you'll choose your rim and tire packages. We have allowances. For instance, the tires are, you know, $1,200 allowance, and if you decide you want to upgrade, you can keep that in mind. And if you find some rims that are a little, you know, more your taste, we'll definitely do what you're looking to do, and it might cost you a couple extra bucks, but as long as you're getting what you want, you're happy. And these are a 90-day to 120-day build time. So if you ordered one tomorrow, we would get you in the process. We would take care of the paperwork with you, get you 100% on board, and you would understand everything. And then we start your project, and we go through it, and we keep you in the loop, and we take pictures of your whole job, so you'll have that, you know, when we're all done. And we even put pretty much every job we'll put on the website, and your whole build will be there, your paint codes will be there, and you know, it's a cool process. So I've done builds, you know, all over the country. I have 2 going on for Texas, 2 going on for Florida, Connecticut, Maryland. I mean, all over the country. I've got a couple big builds going for Nebraska. So it doesn't matter where you are. We take care of it, you know, and when you're all done, we ship it out to you, you know. Usually shipping is like a 1-week process. From the time we give them the call, they pick up and get it to you. So I appreciate you watching. If you have questions, you can call me. But I advise you to just click on the link too, because that'll give you a complete understanding, and then you might have a few more questions when you call me, and you might have some answered before you call me, and then you'll kind of be on the same page with me, and then we take you through the process. So look forward to working with you. Again, this is John from Palm Beach Customs. Make it a great day. Thank you.